Today on Guess What I Found Out, we're going to discover some facts about abiogenesis, the scientific way of asking, how did we go from a lifeless rock to TikTok dances and bad reality TV? Curious George, this is the story of how boring old chemicals started self-assembling into life. Spoiler, it involves lightning, RNA, sulfur chemistry and droplets acting like the first squishy proto-cells. Basically, Earth was one giant science fair project and somehow we are the volcano with baking soda. If you've ever looked at your life and thought, wow, I'm just very complicated pond scum, smash that like button. In 1871, Charles Darwin imagined life starting in a warm little pond. Sounds poetic, but really it was a mud puddle full of chemicals doing the electric slide. Fast forward to the 1950s, the Miller-Urey experiment zapped a gas cocktail of methane, ammonia and water vapor with electric sparks, and boom, amino acids, the Lego bricks of life. We basically recreated Frankenstein's lightning moment, but with test tubes. If you've ever microwaved leftovers and thought this could be life-forming energy, subscribe. You're already halfway to a Nobel Prize. In the 1960s, scientists proposed the RNA world hypothesis. RNA wasn't just the annoying middle manager between DNA and proteins. It may have been the original boss. RNA can store info, fold into shapes, catalyze reactions and even replicate itself. Basically, it was the Swiss Army knife of molecules before DNA showed up and stole the spotlight. But how do you power early chemistry without Red Bull or mitochondria? Enter the thioester world, hypothesis. Sulfur-rich molecules acted as an ancient energy currency, fueling reactions before ATP was invented. Imagine, if you will, caveman Venmo, but for molecules. Recent experiments show RNA and amino acids can link up using thioesters in plain water. No fancy enzymes required. These primitive systems could guide early protein building. Life's first awkward attempt at Lego instructions, honestly. Now for the droplet world, little bubbles, or coccavates, formed when peptides clumped together. These droplets grew, split and protected RNA inside them. Translation blobs learned to self-reproduce. Congratulations, Curious George. You are the descendant of the original bubble bath. And if your love life has less chemistry than these droplets, follow. We'll fix that with some proto-cell magic. Abiogenesis is still a mystery, but scientists are connecting the dots. RNA storing info, thioesters providing energy, and droplets creating little bubble homes. Together they hint at how lifeless goo became, well, us. So, Curious George, what do you think? Was life a chemical accident, a miracle puddle, or the universe's weirdest prank? Drop your fun facts or theories in the comments. I'll pin the ones that blow my mind.